of healing. She walks with grace, a calm, steady light in a hurried race. Not driven by fear, not driven by fame, but to help every soul reclaim their flame. She speaks of the heart, not only in veins, but in stress and emotions, in silent pains, of breath and of peace, of lifestyle and care, of prevention, awareness, and learning to repair. Through storms and through struggle, she still chose to stand with wisdom, compassion, and a guiding hand. A doctor, a teacher, a seeker of truth, blending science with spirit, experience with youth. Today we gather not only to learn, but to pause, reflect, and inwardly turn to awaken the power already inside, and walk toward healing with courage and pride. Please welcome with warmth and heart-shut applause, Pratiksha Gandhi, MD. Founder of CoCardio, where prevention meets compassion, and healing begins from within.